Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are creating this makeup look right here using only Mars Cosmetics. This is a highly requested video, so I tried my best showing all of the popular products from Mars. So I'm sure you guys will like this video. So let's create this beautiful makeup look right here. So to start, I'm prepping my face with this moisturizer from Simple. Though I'm already wearing sunscreen here, but I'm still moisturizing my face. Then I'm going in with this concealer from Mars. This is their Cancel Concealer. I think my shade is creamy. Not creamy, it's dreamy beige. I am not very sure. I'll mention the shade below, but yes, this concealer is so good. This was my first time using it. The formula is really creamy. I loved it. It doesn't crease that much. I mean, I've tried so many budget friendly concealers, but this one is different because even though there are so many concealers which are cheap, but they crease a lot. That is what I felt with my Swiss Beauty concealer as well. This one doesn't crease as much, so I really like it. Also, it sets as soon as you blend it. That is why it doesn't crease that much. I love the formula. I think it is definitely worth a try. Next, I'm using this blush, our liquid blush from Mars. This is the shade Dawn. I picked this shade because I have so many pink blushes. I wanted to try out something different, and this blush is so beautiful. This is perfect for your beachy vacations, or if you just want to create a sunset makeup look. This blush is perfect. I love the formula as well. It blends beautifully. It's very creamy. I mean, it took me 3 seconds to blend this blush. I love it so much, and I highly recommend this one. I mean, if you're on a budget, just give this one a try. Next, I'm using this Mars Trend Setting Powder to set my concealer. This one comes with its own puff, but I still like to use these pizza puffs. This one is from Mars only because these puffs are really convenient. I love using these. I picked this powder because only this powder was available. People wanted me to try the powder with the rose gold packaging, but it wasn't available in my shade, so I went in with this powder, and this powder is really good. I mean, it's a very fine powder. Also looks very good, sets my makeup beautifully, and gives a matte finish that lasts all day long. It blurs out my pores as well. I mean, I loved this powder. It made my skin look like a filter, so I highly recommend this one. For the eye makeup look, I'm going in with these two palettes from Mars. Both of the palettes are supremely pigmented. I love both of these. I'm going to use this light pink eyeshadow as my transition shade, and I barely dipped my brush in the eyeshadow, but you can still see how pigmented it is, and it's blending beautifully. I think Mars is doing such a good job with their brand. I absolutely love Mars Cosmetics. Also guys, if you have missed the Nykaa's hot pink sale, you can just get these products from Amazon because they're always on sale on Amazon. Also, Amazon is currently running their sale as well, so you can just grab these products from there only. Then I've used a dark brown shade to intensify the pink color, and I'm also using it on my lower lash line, as you can see here. Sorry for my hand here. I'm just applying concealer in the inner corner of my eye. I'm not trying to do cut crease or something. I'm just cleaning up the inner corner because I'm going to put some glitter shadow there. So just cleaning it up a little bit. Then I'm going to set it with this powder. Just a little bit, nothing too much, just a little bit, just to set it so it doesn't crease when I put the glitter eyeshadow. Then we have the Mars Trio Treat. I was so excited to try out this particular product because it is such a trendy and viral product these days. The packaging is so good. It is magnetic. I absolutely love the colors. It has an eyeshadow, an eyeliner, and a mascara. This is the liquid glitter eyeshadow that I'm going to use today. Just using a little bit of the product. The glitter reflects beautifully. I mean, I'm going to put a clip here where you can see how beautiful the shimmer, the glitter particle reflect. Although the glitter particles are not too chunky, but they reflect beautifully, so I love this eyeshadow. Then I'm taking this silver eyeshadow and using it in the inner corner of my eye just to open up my eyes. Then I'm going in with this eyeliner from the Trio Treat set only because I wanted to try out all the 3 products. The tip of the eyeliner is great, but the eyeliner is glossy, it's shiny, and I don't like glossy and shiny eyeliners. I'm more fond of matte eyeliner, so I wish the eyeliner was matte, but we can only wish. Then I tried the mascara as well. For such a tiny mascara, this worked pretty well. I mean, I was quite surprised, but love it so much. I think the packaging is also very cute. You can just throw it in your bag, take it with you anywhere. It's so travel friendly. Also, I wasn't expecting a lot from the mascara, but the mascara performed pretty well. As you can see, it opened up my eyes, and just it's looking great. I mean, what else do you expect? Then for the brows, I'm going in with this micro precision eyebrow pencil from Mars. You get product on one side and spoolie on the other side. I had such high expectations from this product, but it was so disappointing. I mean, I was really upset after using this product because firstly, how is it a micro precision eyebrow pencil when the tip is so thick? Also, you can just see it is so bad. I mean, I just somehow made it work, but I won't recommend this pencil at all. You get a very cheap pencil from Mars for like 60 or 70 rupees, and that pencil performs really well, but this one is just so disappointing. I mean, I'm never buying it again, so yes, you can avoid it as well. Then I'm just removing my lip balm and using my powder puff just to have a nice base for my lip combo. I have so many lip liners from Mars. I really love their lip liners. I'm using the shade Cinnamon Roll here. Love this shade so much. It is one of my go-to lip liners. So as you can see, I'm not overlining my lips. I'm just following my natural lip line and slightly overlining the Cupid's bow. That is how I get plump lips. So that is what I'm doing. Then I'm using this lip trip mist from Mars, again in the shade Peach, and using it only in the center of my lips, just how you do a Korean lip combo. That is what I'm doing here, and just blending it and blending my lip liner as well. Then I'm going in with this gloss from Mars. I love glosses from Mars. I mean, Mars is doing such a fab job with their glosses, and this particular shade right here is one of my favorites. I love this shade so much. I mean, you can see how plump and beautiful it makes my lips look. I love it so much, and this is what the makeup looks like. I tried my best showing you guys all of the popular products from Mars. I hope you guys will like this makeup look, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Side by side, you can be my baby. When you make you my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.